Hello, my name is Junaid Ahmad Fazli. This video is recorded for demonstration of second exercise in database lab, which is to use in practice data manipulation language, that is DML queries with Oracle DBMS. The queries used are insert, update, select, and delete. The first question is to insert the values in corresponding tables. The values are inserted in the tables which we have created in the first exercise. To insert a value, we need insert clause followed by the into keyword, table name, and then the values keyword. These are the values which are entered into the first row of customer table. If it is a number, we just have to give it as a number. But if it is a varchar2 value or date value, we have to enclose it in single quotes. Similarly, for all the rest of the tables, insert into table name values command is used and the values are given inside the table. Here are the outputs. As soon as we give one query, it displays the result as one row created. In this manner, we create all the rows for all the 5 tables we have. Next question is to update the postal code of Mary Smith to 10032. For this, we use update clause followed by the table name, set keyword, the attribute which has to be updated, postal code, and the new value, where to specify which row and which position has to be updated. Then the identifier, column name, which is Mary Smith. We don't have any column with the name Mary Smith, so no row is updated. Third question is to insert the record into the order table. We use insert into table name, values, and the values are inserted. The result comes as one row created. Next question is to delete the same row, that is with order ID 108. Here we use the delete clause followed by table name, where order ID is 0. Here order ID is used as the identifier for where clause. Question 5 is to display the details of product whose price is greater than 100. Price is an attribute in the order quantity table and we have to display the details of product table. So we use the select clause when all the attributes of product table from product and order quantity table has also to be considered, where product id in the product table and product id in the ordered quantity table has to match and the price in ordered quantity table must exceed 100 and all the details in the product table is displayed here. Next question is to sort and display details of supplier whose rating is greater or equal to 4. We use select clause. Star is used to take all the attributes and display them from supplier table where rating is greater than or equal to 4. Order by clause is used to arrange the attribute values either in ascending or descending. If we just use order by clause inside the bracket, the attribute name has to be given rating. If we don't write anything here, it considers it as ascending order automatically. Next question is to sort the table order line in decreasing order according to the ordered price. The similar query has to be used. Select star from ordered quantity, order by price, decreasing DESC query has to be used here to order the attribute values in the decreasing order. Then to show customer details who have ordered the table lamp. Customer details are in the table customer. Table lamp is a value of the attribute product description which is under the table product. So here we have to consider customer table, order quantity table and product table. We have to check the customer ID in customer table and order table has to be the same. Order ID of order table and order quantity table has to be the same. Product ID and product ID for the product table and order quantity table should match and product description must be table lamp. Then the details of the customer is displayed here. How many customers have the name which ends with letter A? We use select clause, count customer name from customer, where customer name equal to percentage A. N number of letters can come before A, so for that we use percentage sign. Is the customer who have letter Y in their name. Y can be the first letter, the last letter, or somewhere in the middle. So for that we use select customer name from customer, where customer name equal to percentage Y percentage. So the customer whose name starts with the letter J. For this we use J percentage. Next question, list the name of customers whose ordered quantity is between 10 to 15. Ordered quantity is the value for attributes ordered quantity under the order quantity table. Customer details are in the table customer. So we use the customer table attribute customer name from customer table. Order table has to come in between to link customer to order quantity table. Customer ID of order table and customer table must match. Order ID of order quantity table and order table must match, and order quantity must be greater than 10 and less than 15. The details are displayed here. Increase the quantity of suppliers by 2%. For this, we use the update clause, update supplier table, set keyword, order quantity attribute name. The values are changed to order quantity multiplied by 1.02, where rating exceeds 4. Display the name of customers in alphabetical order. Here we have to sort the customer name order by customer name. Nothing is given, so it will automatically arrange it in ascending order. Find the number of orders placed on 10th of October. Here we have to use the sum clause under the DML command. So we use select sum order quantity from order quantity table. Order table has to come in between to link two different attributes, because we have to use the number of orders which is in order quantity table, date as in the order table. So if order ID of order quantity and order table match and order date is 10th of October, the sum is given, turns out to be 15. Last question is to show the order details and customer details for product ID 1000. Here the table customer order quantity and product table have to be linked. Details of customer table and the order table are displayed. So here order ID of order table and order quantity table must match. Product ID of order quantity and product table must match. And product ID must be 1000. So the details are displayed here. Thank you.